There you go. Look at bingo.
Hey everybody, it's Tom Petranoff here in Claremont, Florida, introducing my new Turbosleeve. I've had this developed to prevent people from using their elbow in the throwing motion and strengthening their shoulders. And so this is how the sleeve comes in the packet. And then there's American flag at the top end. That's the top. And so for her, it slides right in like this. And then you take this and adjust it. One size fits all. And there you go. Same here with Reed. Reed's arm is probably a little bigger. Yeah, so yeah, we can. Just unloosen it a little bit. Unloosen it a little bit. Here. Maybe on the other side might. Loosen it up here, then slide it up onto the elbow. This one needs a little bit more. Right there. Is that over the elbow?
Yeah.
Right, okay. Okay, good. And then retighten it again. And now you restrict the movement of the elbow. This one actually can go up a little bit harder there. And so now we have no ability to bend the elbow, so you must use your shoulder and learn how to use your shoulder flexibility and rotation, and the power of the sleeve comes over the top. When they're done using the sleeve, you untighten these, move it back, untighten these, move it back, untighten that, move it back, and then the sleeve slides off. Okay everybody, so here's the deal. It can't overlap and tuck under inside here like this. It has to be flush there, and then the flag's up, the arm comes in, and that there we go. And so let's go with the middle one first. The middle one goes first, then we got to seal the front, and the front will seal when you put it on right. And yep, of course, you got no other option, my brother. Keep running after you let go of it.